The next stop on this adventure is going to be Rob Czar's art gallery in North Carolina in the River Arch District. Oh, it's so cool. I love it. Okay, I've got to go find Mr. Rob. Oh. There's a gate. Oh yeah, no, he was clinically dead for 27 minutes. I love him. Oh, that's so cool. This never works. Prints are $40. Dude, I love his artwork. I love his style. Look at it. It's sick. So I'm about to spin the wheel for my death. You attend school one morning, you and 28 of your classmates never make it home. Well, I'm not in school, so perfect, it works. Dark. Yeah. I'm satisfied. What a pleasing experience. That's his art too. Satisfied. Rob, your artwork is awesome.